Hello, kids. Meet Ruby the rabbit. She's here to teach us all about tenses.
Hi everyone, I'm Ruby the rabbit. Today we're going to learn about tenses. Tenses tell us when something happens, in the past, now, or in the future. Let's go. There are 3 types of tenses. Past, that means task already done. Present, that means task is currently going on. Presents in present tense, past, a lot of future. Present, future, that means task will happen in some time and not started yet. First, let's talk about the past tense. That means something already happened. The word played shows that I already did it. I played yesterday. Cool. Now, let's learn the present tense. That means something is happening right now. Example on board. I play with my toys. I'm playing now. See? I play every day. Next is the future tense. That means something will happen later. Example on board. I will play with my toys. I will play tomorrow. The word will tells us it's in the future. Quick recap. Let's remember. Tense. Example past. I played. Present. I play. Future. I will play. Great job. Now you know about tenses, past, present, and future. Thanks for learning with me today. See you next time. Keep smiling and keep learning. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun lessons.